Namaskar, I am Dr. Amit Bhardwaj. I welcome you all for the India Meteorological Department daily weather briefing for 21st January. Now, as you can see in this slide, these are the today's highlight. Dense to very dense fog condition and cold day to severe cold day condition are likely to continue to prevail over North India during next 4 to 5 days. And if you see, cold wave condition are likely to prevail over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and North Rajasthan during next 3 to 4 days. So these are the major points. Now if we talk about the past 24-hour observations, as you can see, the fog in the orange color, dense to very dense fog condition are being observed over Rajasthan and Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh region, and cold day condition are being observed over most part of the North India, including Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand region. And this is cold wave where Madhya Pradesh region has been experienced on cold wave condition on isolated location. The yellow color is actually showing the isolated location where the cold fog condition, dense fog condition has been realized over these regions like Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Sikkim and Assam and Meghalaya and MMT region. So this has been shown, and also in Bihar cold day condition has been realized and cold wave condition has been realized in some of the station over Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana. So these are the past 24-hour observation. Now if we talk about what will be the observed minimum temperature, as you can see over the Indo-Gangetic plain including these regions Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and adjoining neighbor states, if we talk about the minimum temperature was less than 10 degrees Celsius, and the departure over some of the stations which as shown in this picture is in the range of minus 3.1 to 5 degree, minus 5 degree Celsius. So this is the minimum temperature departure. Now if we talk about the maximum temperature and maximum temperature departure, the most important is the maximum temperature departure. As you can see in this picture, the many stations over Uttar Pradesh and northern side of the Madhya Pradesh and isolated location of Punjab, Haryana, northern Rajasthan region received maximum temperature departure less than 5.1 degrees Celsius, which is causing at many places cold day to severe cold day condition over these particular belt. Now these are the observation. Now if we talk about what are the inset 3D imagery shows low cloud to fog condition and which are the region which has been covered in the morning hours of 3 UTC. So as you can see, these are the belt which are covering from complete most of the region from Pakistan to the northeast of India region, which is including the Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Gangetic West Bengal regions. So these are the observation, and you can see in this data what are the reported visibility in meters, like in 25 meters in some of the station where the visibility has been reduced only to 25 meter. So these are the table, and you can actually see the which are the station received the very dense fog condition. Now if we talk about for today, what are the synoptic systems prevailed over our domain today. As you can see, there are two cyclonic circulation which are been there at 1.5 kilometer above mean sea level. One is at North Konkan and adjoining areas. The other one is in North Bangladesh and neighborhood areas. And there is a persistent trough line which has been observed at 0.9 kilometer above mean sea level from south interior Karnataka to East Vidarbha region. And there is also a jet stream which is prevailing with a wind speed of 140 to 160 knots covering most part of the North India. So due to that, there is a lot of subsidence of cold air which is causing the severe cold day and cold wave condition over this northern belt, including Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh region. So these are the synoptic systems, some of the synoptic system which we discuss. Basically, most of the warning has been issued due to the cold day and cold wave condition and fog conditions. As you can see in this picture, there are 5 days warning has been issued. So if you talk about only red color warning means the take action. So take action warning has been issued for Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh for day 1 and day 2. So these warning has been issued for dense to very dense fog condition, including the cold day condition. Now if we go further, if we discuss about the orange warning, that means be prepared. The orange color warning has been issued for day 1 and day 3, day 4 and day 5 over this Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh belt. And if we talk about day 1, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan areas for very dense fog and the cold day conditions. So these are the warning, and if we go for the yellow warning, that is the dense fog condition or isolated location has been issued. You can see the yellow portion of the region for day 1, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Bihar, dense fog condition, as well as over Bihar cold day condition has been issued over isolated location. And dense fog condition also been forecasted for Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya and MMT regions. And this is similar pattern for day 1 and day 2 and day 3. And then this warning for Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan areas has been reduced or removed from day 4 and day 5 onwards. So these are the warning for 5 days. And now if we talk about the latest update, like on 22nd January, अयोध्या स्थित राम मंदिर में भगवान श्री राम की प्राण प्रतिष्ठा अनुष्ठान के उपलक्ष्य में भारत मौसम विज्ञान विभाग ने एक नया वेब पेज लॉन्च किया है, जहां पर आप देख सकते हैं वेदर से रिलेटेड सभी अपडेटेड. सो वेदर से रिलेटेड मीन्स द टेम्परेचर, रेनफॉल, humidity and the wind pattern. You can actually get the updated information from this web page. So this is the web page. You can follow us, and in this web page we will providing you the 7 days forecast for sunset, sunrise, moonset and moonrise. All those information will be provided on this page. And if we talk about for today observations for the Ayodhya, you can see in this, these are the observation for today's maximum temperature, and this is the minimum temperature. The maximum temperature over Ayodhya reported yesterday was 12.5 degrees Celsius, and today morning at 8:30 a.m. it was minimum temperature was 6.5 degrees Celsius. Now if we talk about the forecast for Ayodhya region, you can see that the cold day condition likely to prevail on 21st and 22nd January, and moderate to dense fog in the morning hours of 22nd will be there in the Ayodhya region. And the temperature forecast also been issued for 21st and 22nd. The maximum temperature will be today on 15 degrees Celsius, and the minimum temperature can go up to the 7 degrees Celsius in the range. And for today, maximum temperature can be up to 16 degrees Celsius and minimum can go up to 7 degrees Celsius. So these are the forecast for today's, and you can follow us to get the updated information from IMD website. I thank you for listening to me. Thank you. Namaskar.